Alright, this is a little baby boy hatching. This is a foundationless frame. The bees built it exactly how they wanted to. This is a larger size comb, and they can either build worker or drone comb, and they chose to build drone comb. So these cells, these are all going to be boys. That's why it's a little bit larger than the other cap brood that you'll see. And if we flip to the other side, nice and gently and slow, and don't try not to tip it too much there. Let's see, we're gonna play find our queen, and there she is. She's right here. She's got a green dot. See if we can see her laying. She's just laying an egg.